The market is a little bit scared right now because Jerome Powell from Federal Reserve might not cut the interest rate in September, as a lot of people have been projecting previously. And this is kind of causes the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto to go down. So what's really going on? Are we going to see bullish momentum continue in the next couple of months? This is the question we're going to answer. So welcome everyone to today's In Crypto show. My name is Vitaly Dubinin and I'm currently in Singapore. It's gonna be a quick video update about the state of the markets right now. So let's get straight into it. We're seeing that Bitcoin is trading at $112,400. Kind of the market frozen a little bit. It got rejected from $124,000 and right now going down to 112,500. So things are not looking too bullish over here. You can see Ethereum is trading at $4,290. Currently on the weekly, we're still in the middle of it and might print this bearish engulfing candle. But what we are seeing, we're still kind of bullish on a bigger picture on weekly and on monthly, but not on the daily over here. So let's take a look. We have a poly market right now. The chances of interest rate cuts decreased to 56%, down from, it was a couple weeks ago, like 98% chances of the rate cuts. Now 56%, still good, more than 50%. Right? Market dumping because odds of September rate cut drop to 57%. We'll get more clarity tomorrow. Actually, today was this Jackson Hole speech that Federal Reserve is holding, and basically the Fed official says was data now wouldn't see case for a September cut. This is bearish. So let's see what it's going to be speaking about. We're seeing the reaction in NASDAQ and S&P 500 that it is down today because of might not be rate cuts. But how Trump is going to react? Are they going to print money? What's going to happen? You know, that's why Ash Crypto is talking about QE, quantitative easing is coming. There's more money printing is coming. With rate cuts in September or without it, this Q4 is going to be GIGA bullish. So we'll see. I'm observing the market, and if we're going to see the market drop more, the kind of levels I'm eyeing at, I already bought more at $4,060, like to the T. This was the Tom Lee levels that we were talking about, liquidity grab for Ethereum, and then the market rebounded heavily here on the day from this price point. So I don't see Ethereum going below this level. At least everything can happen, of course, but we'll closely monitor that. If we're gonna break this level, the next $3,900 is the natural support level. But I see big things for Ethereum with all this $20 billion accumulation of Tom from the Fundstrat, and we can see the price of Ethereum go way higher than the previous all-time high. So all of these areas might be very good to accumulate if that will happen. The fear and greed index right now reset to 53 neutral. If a Bitcoin will fall below 110,000, then we might see even fearful modes here in the market. And of course, you know, if we get to the fearful level, the more it goes there, the sentiment, the better it is to buy. The better it is to buy, the better prices. So it's good for the buyers to see it happening. So we reset the greediness in the market. We're seeing outflows in Ethereum over here, but then we have 287 million in inflows, while Bitcoin got an outflow. You can see Ethereum is clearly winning here, right? In Bitcoin, minus $194 million in outflows. In Ethereum, it is 287 million in inflows, right? So people are betting on Ethereum over here. Ethereum is consolidating in a bullish inverse head and shoulder pattern over here. This is on a 4-hourly time frame, which is it's a bullish pattern when you break the neckline. Bitcoin is still bullish on the weekly chart. So this is like from Ichimoku perspective. we're seeing that BlackRock is now the biggest Bitcoin custodian, surpassing all major exchanges. We're seeing that Japanese fashion retailer ANAP now owns over 1 million Bitcoin, worth $113 million. Can you imagine that? Japanese small retail fashion over 1,000 Bitcoin. Crazy. But maybe they've been buying before. Who knows? We see none of the 30 bull market peak indicators are flashing right now. So we are not, I repeat, in the top of the bull market. We still have a lot of way to go to the upside to have all these different indicators to show that we are basically reaching the top. We're seeing US government wallet receive $332,000 from Coinbase. The wallet currently holds $34 million. Looks like something big is cooking behind the scenes. What's going on over there? 505 billion Jane Street Group just increased Bitcoin ETF holdings to $3.4 billion. Wall Street just keeps buying Bitcoin. And Tom Lee from Fundstrat predicts, again, Ethereum, we talked about it before, $12,000 to $15,000 by the end of the year. So all in all, guys, shortly said, nothing to worry about. It's a short-term correction, and I don't see it's going much lower than this. And if it does, it's going to be even better prices to come and scoop up this crypto. Okay, so that's it for the update today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next episodes.